Welcome everyone. In this video you will get 12 minutes of intermediate level cardio workout session in which 45 seconds of warm up and 2 minutes of cooling down. In between you will get 30 seconds of skipping and other freehand lower body focused workout and 8 seconds of rest. The primary goal of the workout session is fat loss at the basic level. You can easily perform at your home. Before proceeding each and every workout, you should go for a good and fantastic warm-up. It will help you to prevent yourself from injury or other mishappening during the workout, and it will create your mental alertness and muscular readiness so you can easily perform the exercises. During warm-up, we have to go for dynamic stretching and basic rotational exercises. So guys, let's start with workout. Our first exercise is basic skipping. We have to skip with both legs. Make sure the surface should be soft and you have to wear shoes which will prevent you from further stress related injuries in your knees or ankles. Skipping is a very good exercise for toning up your lower body and as well as your cardio. Now rest for 8 seconds and get ready yourself for the next exercise. Forward lunging. Come on. Rest. Get ready for skipping another set. Here also you can perform both leg skipping or we can move with the variation. Skipping also improves your brain function and blood circulation of the whole body. Very much helpful for coordination development. Now rest. And wait. Next is squat and side kick. Focus your glutes and obliques. Keep your back straight while performing these exercises. Rest. Get ready for the next skipping. Come on. Very nicely performing. Variations of skipping or adding fun to your workout. You can try these types of variations. Not okay. Basic skipping at all. Rest and get ready yourself for the next variation. You have to spider move with crunch. Spider crunch. It's good for obliques and as well as lower abdomen. Oblique muscle situated at the side of your body, lateral side of your hip. Rest and get ready for the next skipping set. cordinations, where you can jump with both leg and lateral shift. If you do not have skipping, you can jump normal with free hand jump. Now get ready, wait, pull out. Now get ready with chair hold. Keep your back straight. You can put your hand behind your neck, in front of you, according to your wish, but make sure your back should be straight. Try to make your thighs parallel to the ground. Breathe normal. Again, skipping. Now this variation call is bail. Standing single leg crunches. This also focuses your lower abdomen and obliques. You can make your hand behind your neck or head or in front of your chest as your comfort level. Skipping. You can add on some variations if you wish, or you can perform basic both leg jump. Squat. Free hand squat. Back straight. Last and final exercise is back lunge with front kick. Here we finish this workout session. Now we move to cooling down and breathing exercises. Cooling down is a must essential part of a workout. You should always perform basic cooling down exercise after each and every workout. It will easy your muscle tensions and loosen your body, which is a must essential for post-workout recovery for better adaptation of workout. The basic difference between warm-up stretching and cooling down stretching is that during warm-up you go for dynamic stretching. Quick stretch and release. Do not hold. But during cooling down you go for stretch and hold method. Hold for few seconds, then release. This is the basic difference. There is another form of stretching named as PNF, proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. In another video, I'll show you these types of stretching. If you avoid stretching, you will not take the advantage of EPOC, exercise post oxygen consumptions. EPOC has a definite effect on our metabolism, which enhance long-term fat burning. This breathing exercise is very essential for our recovery part. With inhale, bring your hand up, and then exhale, spread out. Again inhale, bring your hand close to your body, then press down. Again repeat this movement, forward, inhale and exhale. Hope you will enjoy this session and you will try at your home. So take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.